In this video, I'm going to show you LiveArt confirmed airdrop. So the fund they're raising is 4.5 million and nothing cost you, totally free. And here is potential gain is like this. Okay, it is assumed amount. Okay, I'm not guaranteed you that you will get this amount of money, just assumed it. Okay, so anyhow, everything is free, and you need to just participate properly in order to being eligible in this airdrop. So before dive into the step-by-step tutorial, uh, I want to add something that make you help. Okay, so if you don't yet join in this Telegram channel, feel free to check out this video's description box, where you will get the link of this channel. So just click on that link and come into walk through that link and come into here. Okay, pretty much simple. Okay, so what we need to do here is I put two link. That here is one, that is their official website, where you need to connect your wallet and create your account, and after doing that you need to accomplish your Glax task. So I already put their quiz answers on the comment box, so click on there, and here is you are seeing that the answer I provided. So do the same, fast link fast. Okay, join link, click on there, that link will bring you inside of here. So here is what you need to do is just click on that connect wallet. Okay, and here is MetaMask is recommended all the time because one of the most uses wallet address, wallet in this planet. Okay, same thing, MetaMask is getting confirmed by you need to permit MetaMask that you want to connect your wallet with that website or not. Okay, so I want, therefore I click on that next and confirm I'm doing. So anyhow, it takes a little bit time, never be freak out about it. So switch your network first, and yeah, I'm in the wrong network. Okay, it will be changed. It should do, it should be Ethereum, so therefore it's taking additional time. Sorry for that. Sorry, and thank you for being patient here. I glad to you for being a part of this community. So here is we are ART point universe. So here is level 1, level 2, level 3, everything is put together here. Confirm collection ownership, complete quiz. If I click on each of them, let me see what is the looks like those pages. Okay, so let me see this on. So connect wallet, verify ownership, claim your points, see you next week. Unfortunately, you don't currently want any NFT eligible for art points. So do back. First you need to earn point. Okay, so okay, if you don't understand anything at all, just come into Telegram and see, connect MetaMask wallet, create your account, and Glax task here. Okay, Glax task is later we will do. First we need to do this task. Okay, so here is click on this complete quiz. Okay, so I'm clicking on there, and it's a Glax quiz, Glax task, same Glax task. I don't want to go there. Let me see again here. Click on predict artwork piece, complete the quiz answers every day. Okay, so here is art market prediction. Click on there, and that answer I put it, that answer I have put on my comment box. Okay, predict the true value of art, earn art points, master the market. Okay, so today's challenge is now available. Click on this start button. first thing first, you need to connect your MetaMask. Each of the website you go through for any airdrop you do, they have couple of multiple website like Glax or others thing they need to do. They have their official blockchain. You need to connect the same wallet, okay, as you being eligible, because they need to change, they need to check out you that are you true airdropper, are you did right thing. Okay, so predict the okay, anyhow, however, predict the true value of art, earn art points, master the market. So here is 10 out of 1 questions. Number 1 here is, okay, who is the creator of this artwork? So first thing first, you need to do this so fast way, because if you don't do it, it will be time up, okay. So I want to back and I want to go there again. So and I want to start again that, because I don't want to waste my time here. So first I want to see my answer. Okay, here is Pansky, Gwyn Lang, Wei Kangshu, Hans Hartin, 119.7 billion million for 404 million. Okay, just see these and go through here. So click on this start. Now let me see. So okay, sorry, predict the true value of art on. So here is it is opening, okay. Just it will take a little bit times. Never freak out, because every testnet airdrop is like this, okay, that you are seeing, because they are new in the internet space, in the crypto space. And here is, the more you stay on there, the more it will be efficient, okay. So I want to connect my wallet fast, because without that your work is worthwhile, because either you do or not, doesn't matter. You need to connect it, because it is your identity, okay, that is you, okay, in one word. So anyhow, I'm trying to accomplish this task in front of you in through leave away, okay, in the recording section, live recording today's challenge. Okay, start. Yeah, okay, here is this one, I'm selected, okay. Who is the creator of this? Okay, that this one, okay. Timeout. Who is the true creator of this? Okay, this on, okay. Are there editor of this art network? Yes. Are there editions of the artwork? Yes. Who is the creator of this network? Okay. What is the total current market value? Maybe this one. I don't know. Okay, review your answer. I did little bit, okay. So to answer, I did just I'm so bad at this type of things. So if I just showed you, okay, let's check every question answers here in the comment box. I put it, okay. So who comes to hand sorting, everything has on there, just do it, okay. So if you want to, okay, it's my today's point, you are 7 positions up on the leaderboard, you are, okay. So now request on artwork, bookmark artwork. You can now maybe buy something from here. Request on artwork. So if I click on here, let me see what happened. Just whenever you do something, just hover over with their website, any testnet you do, because it makes you fluent, okay, in the internet space, anyway. So yeah, we did this task. Now it's time to, okay, I'm showing you, it's time to doing next on. So leave this 3 dot, in order to back our price database, private sales, maybe collections. Okay, so here is what is needed, nothing. So just step here. We did now available is Glax task. So just click on that Glax task. That Glax task will bring you inside of the Glax. Okay, here. So here is everybody can do it, and I'm showing you how can you do it. It's a Glax task, everybody can do it. Okay, it's pretty much simple as that. So first thing first, go to and follow them. Okay, so I'm going to follow the account. So let me see what happened. Here is here I have my one Twitter and I want to follow that Twitter with my this account. I don't know what happened because it's something fucking up, this website, sorry, this browser, but it doesn't matter to me. Okay, so see the thing, it's fuck up all the time, fuck up, therefore I don't like this much, thing. I want to buy laptop. I'm saying I very soon I will do it, very soon. Okay, I will buy it. I will win airdrop. I will win. um some content would be viral. So I'm waiting for that. I would buy my first laptop. Okay, so anyhow, I'm going to change my, okay, sorry, here is a little bit text. So now I can do it with native apps. Okay, I don't want to go through that. My Twitter that I connected with this specific Glax account, this one. So each of the time I do back, just click on this little button, arrow button, and it will be done. Okay, so retweet. Okay, do retweet, click on that, go to your Twitter apps, do retweet, will be pop up, repost, go back and click on here. After doing that, visit on their site. So just click on that hover over this link button, and that link will bring you inside of the first page while we begin video with, okay, their website, especially maybe you already know. Anyhow, so it is opening airdrop. So now I can back with it and done the work. Okay, so if I click on now here, and here is, if you are in wrong network, just click on this switch to Polygon. Okay, in order to mint this NFT. So some airdrop I see that if you don't have the specific NFT minted, you are not eligible for that airdrop. Okay, there's a lot of airdrop does that. Okay, there is I would say most important thing in airdrop is because there's a lot of people neglect all of airdrop project, but it doesn't make sense to me. It's take a little bit, it's take more time, but it's pay off once day. Anyhow, we did now climb 3 votes and 50 points. So click on there and it will be climbed. It's everything I showed you. Although waiting for confirmation, transaction cancelled, doesn't matter. So I don't know. Okay, it's climbed. It's transaction not fucked up. It's climbed. It's easily climbed. Okay, if you noticed here, it is easily climbed. It is climbed. Here it is climbed. Anyhow, so this is the video about What is the airdrop name is LiveArt confirmed airdrop. So if you like this video, do subscribe, like the video, as well as check out this video's description box for getting that channels you are seeing on the screen. Okay, if you are willing to join in this channel, come into and check this video's description box. You will get the door of this channel. Okay, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.